I'm starting this video in the kitchen. I'm going through some packing right now. I'll be working in Philly actually towards the beginning of October of 2018. I'm currently in this moving process. All the cabinets here are just empty right now. It's more of like the superficial stuff that's on the counter that I have to deal with, and that's been my headache. Even the things on the floor, things that will come up with me, and things that I can possibly give away. This used to be my working station, and then furnitures are wrapped, currently wrapped at this moment. Oh, there goes my keys. Now I know where that's at. I'll make sure I'm gonna put it back on this counter so I know where the keys are. All right, so now I'm gonna walk into the bedroom. Working on the bathroom, which I think has improved to the condition that it was yesterday. Clear up some things here. You can see me here. Hey everybody. Got some cleaning products here that I'm gonna give away. Some towels that are being sorted out here. Let me jump over this. Laundry room. Still got some items in here that I need to sort out. And moving is not fun at all. It's a process. It's definitely a process. Let me focus on myself. It's definitely a process that it's not fun, especially if you're doing it alone. I'm here. I have to wait till the weekend so I can get some people to help me because I don't have the strength and foot on ground here on the weekday because everybody's at work. Right now, I'm currently waiting for a pod to be dropped off today. Should be around 2. Currently, it's about, can't even see the clock. So it's currently 1:38. So much stuff on the stove. It's Thursday. This pod should be delivered around 2 o'clock. Just kind of trying to kill some time, packaging some stuff and finalizing some items that need to be in a box and stored and put away. Yeah, I'm gonna miss my family, my friends, the people I hung out with, the relationships I built here. It's gonna be a new setting for me, especially in the New Jersey, Philly area. I have to meet new people. Luckily for me, I have some family up there. I have my sisters, and I have my uncle up there. So hopefully, I could get acquainted with their people and go up from there. It's a new change. Not too many people make these changes, and most of these changes come with territory of a job, opportunity, or different conditions. I'm no fan of the cold weather, but I have to deal with it. It's part of the package, I guess. But yeah, this is me. This is my life. This is today, September 6th, 2018. Hopefully I can rewatch this video years later and and see what happens.